Hello, my name is Robert James, and I'm going to walk you through how to add any feature to the Quick Actions area in Helperbird. You want to begin by clicking on the Helperbird icon at the top right of your browser. Once that is open, you'll be welcome to the Helperbird area. We have our Quick Actions area, which is what this video is about, and then below that we have the list of our wonderful features. You would hate to be scrolling to get to your favorite feature, so you can add any feature you like to the Quick Actions area. And to do that, you want to go to the plus icon, which is Add to Quick Actions. And once you click on it, a pop-up appears showing you the different features which you can add to the Quick Actions area. And to add a feature, you just need to go to the love heart and click Add. It will go red, meaning you've added, and if you click again, it will remove it. So I'm going to add some of my favorites, which is the summarize page, the rulers, and the overlays feature. Once I'm finalized which features I would like to add, I can click the close pop-up button on the top right of the pop-up. As you can see now, we have access to our new features, which are our rulers and our overlays. They are grayed out because Helperbird is currently off, but if I turn Helperbird on, they can now be accessed. For example, if I click the rulers, the ruler icon now enables our Dyslexia ruler on the page. And if I click it again, it turns it off. The same goes for the overlay and tints feature that I added. To remove a feature from the Quick Actions area besides our default ones, we go back to the Add to Quick Actions and we click the feature we want to remove, such as the summarize page, and we click Remove. It is now successfully removed, and we'll close the pop-up, and it is now no longer in the Quick Actions area. And of course, if you need any more help, you can visit helperbird.com and go to our live chat, and a member of staff would be delighted to help you. You can also visit helperbird.com and go through our help guide section and see our wonderful videos and guides.